Life with me, Gina Marie. Some spaghetti squash in a nutshell. Get one medium-sized spaghetti squash and just stab big long holes in them with a big knife. Put it in the microwave on a microwave dish and leave it in there for 12 to 16 minutes. The smaller, the less time, I found. Right here, I let it cool. I cut it in half. Well, I let it cool somewhat. And I'm scooping out the center, trying to get all the seeds out. After the seeds are out, you can discard those. You can see the knife in the background that I used earlier to stab it before I put it in the microwave for 12 minutes. This size was exactly 12 minutes. I'm taking a big fork and I'm just twisting and turning and pulling out any seeds I missed, fluffing it up in the bowl because it could stick together, but you want it kind of al dente. It's really excellent. I like to eat it like right out of the shell. Anyway, it's getting a little slippery here. I got a little gripper and I'm getting all the last all the way out of the shell. Clean up a bit here. And there you go, spaghetti squash. I hope I spelled it right. Anyways, I'm going to show you. You can fry it in garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, or have it with chicken soup, or you could just have it with a little spaghetti sauce. Either way, it's really good. Thank you for joining me on Life with me, Gina Marie. Strive to be happy.